Right, how's it going? I'm that ginger photographer. I've just upgraded two of my cameras to the Canon R6 Mark II, and because it's in the factory settings for focusing, I'm having real issues on jobs where I need subjects to be tracked really fast, or at weddings when I need a bride or a groom, say, walking through a confetti aisle or walking down the aisle. I need that focusing to be bang on, and I need it to track that as well. I need it to track those people. So these are the settings that I'm using to make sure that I nail that focus every time, and not only nail the focus, but also when a subject is moving through the frame, or if I'm recompositioning the picture, that focus stays on whatever I want it to stay on. So to show you what I mean real quick, I can just be pointing anywhere and it'll be focusing on things that I don't want it to focus on. I know that the camera's got face tracking, but if there's a group of people, I might only want certain people highlighted. So I'm going to show you how to change the setting so that it follows what you want it to focus on. So the way that I have my focusing set up, as you can see there, the square in the center with center point focusing, I'll half press it on whatever I want it to focus on, and then I can recompose this image and it'll stay locked on at whatever I've selected, take the picture, and it's still on there. So if that was a bride's face or a groom's face or someone on a job running through the frame, it's going to track them. Again, I'll focus on my beanbag down there, recompose the shot, and it stays focused on whatever I want it to focus on. So what you want to do is you want to go to menu and go to setting 1, and we're going to set this to servo. It should already be on servo. Then we're going to go to auto focus area. I'm going to have it on spot autofocus. We'll then go down to this whole area tracking. I'm going to turn this on. When you get the camera, it's going to be set to off. You want to turn this on, and that's what does the tracking for you. So you focus on your subject like this, recompose your picture, and it'll stay locked onto that. Keep your shutter half pressed down, select whatever you want to focus on, recompose your picture. So that might be a bride and groom in the field, or it might be some food photography. You can recompose your image and your focus is going to stay exactly where you've set it. And it's as simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like or leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you found this focus setting as well. And I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.